What is up, Guru Nation? We just finished rescreening a patient, which is a podcast in and of itself for a later time. But I know you guys are curious, like how it's going with Yuma Clinical Trials as a startup, because a lot of you guys are thinking the same thing. So we just did it. It was probably our 6th screening, and it went relatively smooth. And Desiree, hello Desiree. What week are you on now? Week 8?
Week 8. Mm-hmm.
Week 8 of being a CRC. And Katie, week 2.
Yeah, finishing up my 2nd week.
So it's getting easier, right?
Oh, yeah.
The visits are getting easier.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know about the work, because...
No, I think it's getting easier.
I'm not giving the reg yet. Like, we're going to start that next, but myself, Samantha, are doing a lot of the reg. But, yeah, so the visits are getting easier. And the regulatory is not that hard anyways. And then you guys even did some queries and stuff like that, query resolution. Yeah. So, all good. Most challenging part so far from Desiree. Let's go 8 weeks in as a CRC from a CNA. Most challenging part?
Most challenging part is, for me personally, is probably just getting labs because I'm still practicing, but the rest of it's actually not that bad.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. That's great to hear.
Now that I understand a lot of like the acronyms and how different screens work and how the studies work, it's actually a lot easier and a lot smoother.
How to document and stuff.
Yeah.
I remember the other day somebody asked me, one of you two asked me, what's a FDF?
I did.
And yeah, okay, so I caught myself speaking in acronyms.
Yeah.
But you will soon too.
Yeah, but once you learn how to document all the specifics of the studies, it's relatively smooth.
And then Katie, what about you? 2 weeks.
Yep.
As a new college grad, most challenging part
of
this job so far, like within 2 weeks?
I think the most challenging part is probably remembering where everything is and how to like coordinate the other websites besides Creo, because I still don't have access to all those, so it's harder for me to like help out with like the screenings and stuff because I can't get on the other websites right now.
You've been doing good though, where you've been highlighting the medical records, the medications. It's amazing. I wish we could videotape everything here. And then for both of you, what's your favorite part so far? 8 weeks in, these things will change, 4 months in, it might be different.
Honestly, it's learning about these different study drugs and interacting with the different subjects, because most of them have been actually quite pleasant. So, and they're so willing and so friendly, and it's nice for a change.
Yeah, one of the friendly ones said that she will let me interview her next time. We gotta figure out when she's coming. I don't even know when that is. Desiree and Katie keep me on track now. And what about you, Katie? Favorite part?
Favorite part? I like learning about all the different drugs and stuff, but I kind of like almost the responsibility of like doing all like the inputs into Creo and like just documenting everything and make sure everything's where it's supposed to be and everything's filled out and everything, because there's a lot of stuff that you have to remember and fill out, and it's just a bunch of paperwork, but I kind of like doing all that and organizing it and making sure it's done.
Yeah, no, thank God. And then what was I going to... Oh, you did already your process of consent, another one today. Who knows how many you've done so far? Well, I lost count.
I don't know. I think it's only been like 3.
Okay.
Maybe.
Just feels like one. Alright, well, thank you guys. We'll be following up later. Everybody like, subscribe, comment, share. You wanted an update? You got it. Happy 4th. Take care.